Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how you can find best seller products from any Shopify store with just a Chrome extension. So you have to install a Chrome extension. This is called ShopProductScrapper. So free Shopify product scraper and exporter. With this extension you can also export and import product to your Shopify store. So let's see the SpaceX shop. Um, what is their best selling product. Basically this is the store of Elon Musk company, the Tesla. So maybe you know. So let's click on the extension icon. This extension you have to install it. I have already installed. So after installing you just have to click on the extension. uh, Ensure that you have already opened a store, then click on the extension, and here you can see all the details. So store location in the US, total products 112, and 30 collection they have. Collection means categories. So they have added their first product on 2019 and the last product on March 27, 2025. So here you can see all product export option. If you click here, it will export all the product in the CSV file and you can import it directly to your Shopify store. Export by collection, you can also export by collection, and this is the best seller products. So the first 50 products showing, the first one is the top one, their most selling product, this one, this t-shirt, then the kid SpaceX space shirt, then the SpaceX cap, then t-shirt, and you can load more products here, all the products. Also here you can see the search product option. So you can search and export any product and import to your Shopify store. This will works on any Shopify store, and you can get the Shopify 3-month trial by just clicking here. So if you try on Mr. Beast store, let's see, click here. So you can see their first product was added in 2020, and they have total 170 products, 75 products, 34 collections, and their best selling product is the Mr. Beast basketball. Here you can see, then the this one and this one, everything is showing here perfectly. So that's it. It's very simple. Hope you will enjoy this video.